We have tips for lowering your sodium from the sodium attacker. If you can't taste any salt or sodium in your food or drink, can we trust our taste buds to say, I can eat this? The average threshold for being able to taste sodium, and water was used, room temperature, differs among individuals. Quite a bit. Water is generally pretty bland. In a liter, just 4.22 cups. Some folks can taste the sodium when there's 30 milligrams for the whole liter. And that range goes from 30 up to 460 milligrams per liter. We're thinking about cups. 1 cup goes from 7.11 milligrams for 1 cup, all the way up to 109.01 milligrams. We can't trust our taste buds. Over the years, I've heard people say, I just can't taste things the way I used to. Food just doesn't taste right. I've heard people say, since I started taking this medicine, I can't taste a blooming thing. We have to look up the ingredients in what we're eating or drinking. If there's a label, look at the label for portion size. If there's no label, computer search, nutrients in, whatever it is, and you'll come up with a list of places you can go click, which will tell you the sodium that's in that item per serving. The Drinking Water Advisory Board suggests that our tap water be held between 30 and 60 milligrams per liter. It is not an enforceable standard. There are so many people that rely on well water. Individual communities have one well water. And there's so many little water companies, each city. Sometimes the cities have more than one. It's just not enforceable. They just kind of would like to see that. While we're talking about water, there's things that will have an effect on your tap water. If you live on the coast, that ocean has a lot of salt in it. There's no little barrier there that says the water can't come into the dirt. And it does. Kind of leaches in there. Coastal communities have a higher rate of sodium in their tap water than others. Also, areas that have a lot of ice and snow. We've lived in Michigan and we lived in Alaska. Those trucks would come through, huge trucks, putting all that salt out to melt the snow so folks could get to work. That salt's got to go someplace. And all the water, the rain, leaches down into the ground. Some of it goes into the water supply. Subscribe to my channel for more tips on lowering your sodium. And as you subscribe, click on the bell. Then you'll be notified every time there's a new tip on there, because you don't want to miss any. I've been doing this for 2.5 years. There's hardly been any day that went by that I wasn't researching something. Got a lot of information for you. I'll be posting several videos a month to help you keep that sodium down. It's our goal.